Shanghai Senpure Food Company Limited, the leader of China's milk tea industry. The solid milk tea intelligent packaging production line built by Lilan Intelligence for the Shanghai Senpure Huzhou factory, which took a year, has been officially put into use. Produce over 1 million cups of milk tea per day. This production line is about 65 meters long, from automatic sorting, product handling, and placement at the front section of semi-finished product, to the automatic packaging and palletizing at the rear section of the finished product. It achieves an integrated, intelligent manufacturing mode of whole process, suitable product sorting area of semi-finished product, achieving efficient separation and sorting of piled products. 6 Delta sorting machine works simultaneously. Automatic placing into cups, precisely and quickly completing sorting tasks. Foam packaging, cardboard packaging, and visual inspection at sealing to ensure the integrity of packaging and sealing. Grouping and merging, robot arm packing. The maximum speed can reach 7,200 bags per hour. Weighing and removing to ensure the last inspection process on the production line is qualified. Dual station palletizing. The 2 stations work simultaneously. 24 boxes can be stacked per minute, which is efficient and stable. After the automatic production line is put into operation, the single line production capacity can reach over 180 cups per minute. From the semi-finished products placing at front section to the packing and palletizing at rear section, it saves 33 people on labor. More efficient production efficiency, more transparent production process, and safer products. Lilan Intelligence helps Shanghai Senpure truly realize quality improvement, cost reduction, and efficiency enhancement, and assists production enterprises in enhancing production advantages and achieving differentiated development.